Hi everyone, my name is Shishir Nigam and welcome again to our channel Journey to Freedom, where you can follow along on our journey to financial freedom through the worlds of Shopify and dropshipping. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bells so that you get to know every single time we put out a brand new video. Today we're going to be talking about why 99% of dropshippers fail. So make sure you stay till the end of the video to catch all the reasons why and make sure you avoid them in your own business. So let's get right into it. Reason number one, people cannot handle failure. This is a huge one. And here's the thing, a lot of the reasons we're going to talk about in this video are not reasons specific to dropshipping or Shopify. They're reasons for failure across any business venture in life. So number one reason, you are not able to handle failure. What do I mean by that? You always need to be prepared to handle failures in any business venture that you take on. That could be a website, that could be a blog, that could be a YouTube channel, that could be anything. You need to be able to handle the failure that comes along with starting up a new venture. That's part of the game. Now, what does that mean? So here's the way I like to think about it. What does the journey to success look like, right? All of us have a conception of what the journey to, we know what success looks like, but what is the journey? What does the path to success look like? And many people think that this is what it looks like. You are in the middle, and either you fail or you succeed, right? It's not both. Either you fail or you succeed. But in reality, you are actually over here, and in order to succeed, you have to fail multiple times in order to reach the point of success that you're looking for. And that's what reality is. You have to go through a repeated number of failures, overcome them, and then succeed. So what does that mean? That means that you cannot actually succeed without having to fail first. If you're not willing to fail, if you cannot handle failures, you can forget about ever achieving success. That's the essence of the message here. So in the dropshipping context, the simple way to apply this is you need to test multiple products before you find the one that works for your business, right? In our case, we tested 20 to 30 different products before finding one product that worked a little bit. And then we tested another 5 to 10 products before we found a real winner that helped us recoup a lot of our testing losses, right? So we had to go through those failures to arrive at the one product that really did well for us, and then learned how to capitalize on that success, right? So the failure elements, the 20 or 30 products that we did not have success in, were not failures. They were essentially telling us these kind of products work and these type of products don't work. So those are all learning lessons along the way, and if you cannot handle failure, that is the number one reason why you will not succeed in dropshipping. Hope you're finding value in the content so far, guys, and if you are, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you get to know every single time that we put out a brand new video. And make sure you stay till the end of this one to catch all the content, and comment below on what you like and what you'd like to hear about. Stay with us. Number two, you lack investment mentality. People who are not willing to invest in their business will not succeed in the world of dropshipping. Now, our example is quite clear. In 2019, we spent more than $500,000 on Facebook advertising. Now, was it risk? Absolutely it was a risk. But it was a calculated risk that we took on, right? What was the result of that? The result was that we achieved $840,000 in sales in 2019 through our Shopify store. So the risk taking resulted in the end in a profitable business, right? Now, here's the thing. Every small loss that I made along the way, it wasn't an investment into my own learning. That's where I learned what works and what does not work. So think about it like tuition fee. When you go to university, you have to pay tuition fee before you start making any income, right? Once you graduate. Same way, in any business venture, you need to have that mentality of investment, that you're not losing money. No, you're investing money to learn what works and what does not work. So you need to have the investment mentality that allows you to take on the risks, to test some products, to take some small losses. And the key thing here is you need to take educated risks. Don't risk the entire pot of savings that you have. No, take small educated risks along the way and use them to learn from the experience, so that the next time you make such an investment, you stand a better chance of having success. Question of the day: what are you willing to risk to achieve success in your dropshipping business? Is it time? Is it money? Tell us what you feel you're willing to invest to make your own business succeed. Number 3, people are not willing to learn continuously. This is the third most important aspect and reason why people fail. They're not willing to learn continuously. The easiest way to achieve success is by emulating other people who have succeeded, right? That is exactly what we did. We learned from a whole host of other people on YouTube, from other sources who have succeeded in what we're trying to achieve, right? You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to emulate people who are succeeding and follow in their footsteps. Now, here's the key thing. You need to emulate not just what they did, but for how long they did it. This is a very key point. Many people think, okay, somebody is running Facebook ads and they had success. Okay, I'll run Facebook ads, I'll have success. No. Ask them, how long have they been running it for? Have they been running it for 1 year, 2 years before they achieve success? That is the kind of expectation you may need to have for your own timeline of success, your own journey of success, right? So not just what they do, but for how long they're doing it. Both those when those two things are combined, then you can hope for the success that they have achieved, right? So always be learning from others. You will always face new challenges at each new stage of your business building process. So you can always learn how others handled it. For example, when we first came across the first few products that worked for us, we said, okay, we're getting some sales. Now the next challenge was, how do you scale it? We've never scaled the product on Facebook before. So how do you successfully scale it and still battle the volatility that comes along with Facebook ads scaling, right? So that was a new challenge. We again started learning, went back to the drawing board, watched videos, look at other people who are in that situation and take down lots and lots of notes from their mistakes and their successes and apply it to our own situation. Once we mastered how to scale the product, next step is, how do you uncover more new winning products, right? And then scale them sustainability. How do you build up a sustainable ongoing business, which is not a one-time winner based on one product? So every stage of the business will bring you new challenges that you need to be willing to learn, to understand how to overcome those as well. So the day you stop learning is the day that you stop progressing, right? Our newest hurdle, as I mentioned, is scaling sustainably and trying to brand our products. So those two are some of the new challenges that we are facing in our business. And that is where you also will continuously face new challenges all the time. And you have to be ready to be learning continuously. Always be in the learning mode to be able to adapt and take advantage of the mistakes other people have made, right? You don't always need to make the mistakes yourself, right? Learn from other people's mistakes, apply them to your business, and if you do so, you will have overcome some of the main reasons why other people are failing and you don't need to. Hope you found some value in this video, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for all the videos to come.